Hey there, traders. It's Wednesday, May 18th, 2022, and we're looking at a cherry bomb from Tasty Trade. It's a short put again. This time we're using Apple. It's got a liquidity rank of 4 drops out of 4 and an IV rank of 53, hence the short premium. Stick around if you're interested to the end. I have an alternative that maybe you'll enjoy more if you like unlimited profit potential with, a little bit less probability, of course. So, if I haven't caught your interest, have a wonderful day. If I do have your interest, I'll see you on the inside. Hi everybody, my name is Neil and this is Option Theory. Thank you so much for joining me. You can see that on screen we're inside of Thinkorswim's simulated trading. So if you're ever looking for a way to safely prove whether or not you can be profitable trading options, this is the way to do it. Hopefully you'll join us by hitting that subscribe button someday, if not today. All right, I don't want any pressure. There it is, just would love to have you. All right, you can see here that we've recently had earnings for Apple, and it continued to fall afterwards. But now we seem to be having a little bit of a comeback. Let's take a quick look at the overnight futures. It does look like NASDAQ's having down 0.5% here. So, we had a pretty good up day yesterday. So not shocking that we're going to see a little bit of a pullback on that one today. Who knows how much of a pullback? You never know these days. Quite a bit of volatility. All right. Well, let's say that you're bullish. Well, let's take a look at two different trade ideas. The first one comes from Tasty Trade. So let's go to the ad simulated trade. I'm in the margin account. We're going to be in the June 24th weeklies with 37 days to expiration. I've clicked on the bid for the 135 put, and I've pennied it up to a dollar. What the heck? That's not right. Let's try that again. Let's go to $2.04. There it is. We're looking at one short put. And then we're going to go to the risk profile here, set our price slice to, set our date to 6/25, that matches the blue date here, and then let's go to set our price slice to break even. We're looking at an 80% probability of profit. Of course, this does come with a significant capital requirement of $13,293. Of capital if you're doing this inside of an IRA. If you're doing this inside of a margin account, which we are presently right now, you'll see here that it will have a different buying power effect. So let me show you on that one. Here we're looking at $13,000 as the max loss. Max profit's $204 with an 80% probability of us making a profit. Not necessarily that much, but some amount, like a penny, right, at expiration. All right, so the buying power effect here in this margin account would be $1,600 they're going to be holding. So, not awful on a margin, but maybe you don't have it a margin. If you have a IRA account, then you're going to need that. And if that's too much, then let's consider an alternative that gives us unlimited profit potential, and it would be simulating being long 95-ish shares of Apple without having needing that much capital. Let's go ahead and hit send. I'm going to make that full screen again. Let's switch over to the IRA account. And by the way, I'll show you at the end that they are in there in the working orders. Let's go back to the ad simulated trade. Stay in the same expiration. And I'm just going to drag this down and give myself a little bit more room. What we're going to do here is we're going to click on the ask for the 150 call and then make sure that's there. Cool. I'm going to hold down the control key and click on the bid for the 150 put. And then I'm going to go and find a roughly 5-ish delta put that has decent amount of liquidity. This one, open interest. That's this one, looks like to me. So I'm going to continue to hold down the control key. And then I'm going to click on the ask for the 120 put. So that means I'm short the 150. So long the 150 call, short the 150 put, and then long the 120 put. And just so you can see that, that's this. Let's go to the risk profile for this particular trade. And that gives us not an 80% for sure. Of course, we're going to be giving up some things here to get the unlimited profit potential, right? Limited risk of only $3,000. I'm going to, round up $3. So you only need $3,000 of capital. You have unlimited profit potential, but there's a 55% chance that things don't work out the way that you want to. However, if you look at that chart and think it's time for Apple to have a comeback, right? Maybe something like this, that'd be sweet, right? Hey, you never know, especially with Apple. So if you could potentially put $3,000 at risk rather than 13, I'd love to hear from you on that one if you like this trade or not. So I want to right click this trade, choose confirm and send, and allow you to see this screen here. Infinite profit potential, max loss of $3,000. And it's only going to require $3,000 of buying power rather than the $13,000. All right, if you made it this far into my video, a big thumbs up to you. I do appreciate it when you watch these videos to the end. Love to hear from you in the comments if you have a preference of either of these two trades. Hey, from my small YouTube channel to you, a big thanks for watching to the end. All right, until I see you next time, may the market be with you.